Hola clase, buenos días, soy la señora Zaramsky.
Y soy señora Rhodes.
Hoy vamos a hablar de los números de teléfono.
If you were to ask your friend or your partner what their telephone number is, in Spanish you would say, ¿Cuál es tu teléfono?
And you would respond, es 325-12-31. Notice I didn't say 3-2-5-1-2-3-1. I am grouping my numbers. I start with a single and then I go double, double, double. 3, 25, 12, 31. We practiced this today in class.
If you wanted to know what someone else's telephone number was, in Spanish, the question you would ask would be, ¿Cuál es el teléfono de Rosita?
And I would respond, es 6-19-15-28.
What's important to note here is one of the most challenging grammar topics in Spanish, especially for English speakers, is the apostrophe S, the possessive. In English, when we want to know, for example, in this case, what Rosita's telephone number is, we show possession by apostrophe S. In Spanish, you will notice the way we say Rosita's telephone is the telephone of Rosita. In other words, el teléfono de Rosita.
Now let's pop over to numbers. We have assumed that you have already learned the numbers 0 through 30. We're introducing numbers 40 through 101, 40 being 40, 50 being 50,
60, 60, 70, 70,
80, 80, 90, 90,
100 is 100, and 101 would be 101.
The construction with 41 through 49 is 40 uno, that's 41. 42, 42. 43, 43. You just add, if you look down here at 31, you add this E, and then any number after 31. You add a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. In continuing on 1 through 9, all you add is the E. If you look at the number 100, 100 by itself is always going to be 100. 101, 100 turns into ciento, and we add uno, 101, 102, 103, 104, and so on and so on and so forth. You don't add the E like we do in English. We say 101. That's the correct English. A lot of times we say colloquial 101, but that's not correct in English nor in Spanish. So it's 101 in Spanish and in English. 101. What if I wanted to say 131? It'd be 131.
Excelente. One of the things I wanted to mention too is remember that after 29, after 29, 30, 30, and anything after that will be all written as separate words. So no more will we connect the 20 or the 10 with the ones digits.
And that's numbers and asking telephone numbers. Hasta luego.